Hey there, my name is Marcus, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if your Sonos Roam is not connecting and what you can actually do about it. So the first thing that you can try is to perform a factory reset. I don't know if you already done it. So what you can try to do is this. Power it off completely by just holding the button in the back. You're going to power it off. Then what you want to do is just you want to press on the top. You're going to have play button. Just locate the play button, the play pause button. And then while holding the play pause button from the back, you just want to press the power button. And you're holding the play button, you're going to press the power button to turn it on. And then what will happen that the white light is going to change to a red, white, red, white, red, white, red. And you're going to release it from the play button, the finger, and then it should work out, probably. So this is something that you can test out if you have problem with connections to perform a factory reset. Maybe it's going to work. And also another thing that you can try to do is just hold when you're going to turn it off, hold the power button for about like for 15 seconds by itself. So right now we're not holding the play pause button, you just want to hold the power button from the back, and maybe it's going to work out. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you're having a great day, and goodbye.